Hey, I'm Dr. Anastasia Vella. Let's dive into Vilavi's cellular approach to fast-tracking your athletic recovery.
Sidelined by persistent muscle microtears? Yeah, slow recovery from oxidative stress is super frustrating for literally any athlete.
Think of recovery as a huge gap. You need an adaptive bridge, like biological scaffolding, for total tissue restoration.
Enter T8 Viten's RNK complex. This precise plant-based formula acts as the absolute essential building blocks for cellular adaptation.
Extracted Altai wheat delivers rare amino acids, lysine, tryptophan, methionine, optimizing protein synthesis to rapidly rebuild structural tissue. Next, pine nut extract packs concentrated tocopherol. This fiercely protects your cellular mitochondrial membranes from heavy, training-induced oxidative stress. Then, lime extract adds a crucial layer of antispasmodic and antimicrobial defense to shield your cells during recovery. Plus, supporting bean, birch, and pine lichen extracts actively fight inflammation while giving your body critical neurological support. The protocol? Pour exactly 1 gram, 1 pack, under your tongue daily for a strict 5-day course. Conquering slow recovery means you don't stay sidelined. So are you finally ready to get back on the rack?